Hey everybody, welcome to Ashton's Fun City channel. I'm Nick, Ashton's dad, and this is no other than Ashton, and this is his channel. Today we're gonna do an experiment with a volcano and have it erupt. So, in order to do this, what we're gonna use is some citric acid.
Don't do this without a plate.
Without a plate, yes, you need a plate. You're right. Baking soda. And never even heard of this, but purple sweet potato powder. We've got a beaker with, what's in there? Dish soap? Water and dish soap?
Yes.
All right. And in order to make our volcano and give it some color, what color do you want to use, Ashton? We've got blue and red.
Comment down below which color you want to do. Red or blue?
Red or blue? Which one do you want to do? You got stuff all over your face.
I want to do both.
Both?
Yes.
What does red and blue make?
Purple.
Purple, good job. Okay, put both colors in there. This is going to give our volcanic eruption some color.
You can only use blue or red or green, but if you want one, you can use one. One.
Got it?
Two. I can't do this.
Well, he's doing that. I'm going to get 2 scoops of baking soda in here.
1, 2. I did it, Dad.
Good job. Okay, let's put that in there. I like big explosions, so let's put some extra in there.
Yes.
Uh-oh, we're making a mess.
If you don't want a big explosion, you can only get 2.
All right, and then what we're gonna do, so we've got about 3 things of baking soda in there. Then what we're gonna do is take some of this citric acid.
If you drink it out, it will shoot up there. It won't.
It won't?
Yes.
Where's it gonna shoot?
It will shoot down here.
Yeah, we'll show them. We'll see where it goes or what happens.
This is our first time doing a small plate.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't overflow the plate. Mom might be mad.
Yeah.
We'll see though. And then it said 1 scoop of this purple sweet potato.
Watch till the end, and then you will see the big volcano explode.
Oh, it's definitely purple.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
All right. Let's mix all this up.
And after this, you can pour this water in. The last thing you have to do is you have to pour this water in. The last thing you have to.
All right, we've got it all mixed up. Now what we're gonna do, let's stir in the color.
Yeah, can I do it, Dad?
Sure, go ahead. I'm gonna get the camera so we can have a closer look here. All right. Stirring, you can see the top of a volcano. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Pour it in. Let's see what happens. I think you poured too fast. There it goes. It's erupting. Ew. Well, that was kind of lame.
Yes.
It's like a slow-moving lava.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some bubbles here.
Kids, if you want to see what science experiment we are doing, here's the box.
Show them the box. All right, so this, it's upside down, has 15 science experiments eruption kit. So there's different types of volcanic eruptions we can do. We just tried a brand new one that we had never tried before, which I think we probably should have practiced maybe. But we had some other ones and it was much better than this one, but maybe we'll show you some others this time. This is a brand new channel. He created it today. He would like to thank you for watching.
Yes.
Yes. And we'll do some more videos. We're going to have lots of fun. It's his Fun City channel, so be sure to like and subscribe. And we will catch you next time on our next video.
Bye.
Bye.